I'm done relaxing. I'm just waiting for Julio because he's gonna pick me up here. Yeah, ate. Have fun. Pumasok ka na rito. You're so good, ah. On stage, you rap, you're so good. So when you grow up, you're gonna be a model too. It's not like gonna be a model. Rumampa rin tong bata to, kakatuwa. Ang lit-lit, nag-model din eh. Okay, I have to go. I have to call Julio. I need to know. Ciao, ciao.